Hey YouTube, my name is Nick, and what I have here today is the Xbox HD AV pack. And in today's video, I'm not only going to test to see if it works, but also, if you notice, these are most definitely not the OEM RCA cables. So these are just some generic cables that I had lying around. And we're going to see if I can still use the HD AV pack using those cables. And also, we're going to give a quick test to the optical out port for the audio, which will produce some really awesome sound when I hook it up to my soundbar. So without further ado, I'm going to take a quick break here and set this up, and then we'll start off by testing the audio from the soundbar. So I just wanted to quickly show you how I have it set up. So yellow is the green, red is red, and white is blue, and that on the end is the optical cable, which is going to this really nice LG soundbar with Meridian, it says. I'll put the model number up on the screen if you're curious as to which one it is. But now we're going to fire up the original Xbox and we'll see if this works. So as you can see, the optical out port worked on the HD AV pack. Now I have the RCA cables connected up for the audio, so my capture card is directly capturing the audio from the Xbox. And I'm just going to play one mission just to show that everything is all good. But here's GTA 3 playing in 480p with the Xbox HD AV pack that I imported from Japan, and clearly it works. So that answers the question. No, you do not need the original RCA cables that came with this box. You can just use any generic RCA cables to use the Xbox Advanced HD AV pack. Let's see. I think I can only do this one at certain times. If that's the case, I'll go to the other one. Yeah, okay. I'll only attempt the mission once, so if I fail, I fail. The point is that this works. And I tried to convey as best I could the sound of the optical audio, but man, does it sound good. Microsoft was really thinking at the time. It's too bad they didn't build the optical out port into the Xbox instead of in the component cables. But that's okay. It's nice to have them in the first place, because optical audio out, when you have a really good soundbar, just makes everything sound amazing.
Leave us alone for a minute. The Colombian cartel is making spank somewhere in Liberty, but we don't know where. And they seem to know everything we're doing before we do. We got us a rat. There's a guy named Curly Bob, works the bar at Luigi's. He's been throwing more money around than he's earning. He ain't pimping or pushing, so he must be talking. He usually gets a taxi home after work, so follow him. And if he's ratting us out, kill him.
Alright, so let's go find myself a car. I could reuse mine, but I think it took a little bit of damage. I'll just take one of these ones instead. Just gonna shut off the music. So I think I have to follow someone in a vehicle. I think that's the point of this mission. I'm gonna stay way back here. Yeah, here we go. Spook-o-meter. Oh, he's getting away. Down the street. Whoa, 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 whoa. Why is he backing up? Why would you back up like that? That's so weird. Oh, he's getting spooked out. Calm down, I'm not stalking you. That's right. I'm just having a casual drive. I'm not after you. Why you gotta shoot at me? I'm just in my car. I got nothing to do with you. Just stay far away. But enough to see him. Don't mind me.
Here comes our little friend, Mr. Big Mouth himself.
Were you followed? You know what goes on here is our little secret, amigo.
No, I wasn't followed. You got my stuff?
Here's your spank, squealer. Now talk.
Okay, so the Leons are fighting wars on two fronts. They're in a turf war with the Triads, with no sign of either side giving up. Meanwhile, Joey Leone has stirred up some bad blood with the Forellis. Every day they're losing men and influence in the city. Salvatore's becoming dangerous and paranoid. He expects everybody and everything.
And with loyalty like yours, what has he possibly got to worry about?
Okay. So I gotta take him out. That was easy. I think he dropped a shotgun. Yes. Okay, cool. Just gonna head back to my safe house and save, and that'll be the end of the video. Oh, wrong street. I turned one street too early, but it's okay. And there we go. So we save, and that is that. So that is the end of this video. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time.